Welcome to Assisted Device Resolve. Today I will show you how to fix laptop touchpad not working in Windows 11. So fix 1. Turn on touchpad in settings. Step 1. Press Windows key plus I. Then click on Bluetooth and devices. Then click on touchpad and make sure touchpad is on. Fix 2. Check touchpad shortcut keys like F7, F9, F6 and enable with these keys like press Fn plus F6 or F7 or F9. Fix 3. Restart your laptop. Press on Windows, then click on power icon, then restart your laptop.